Hi, my name is Leslie, and on my Instagram account, Berry_Birdy, I show how I make Dresdens and some of these Dresdens that you can see here. I thought it would be really fun for me to just go through and share with you some of the ones that I've created here. So when I first start to make a Dresden, I actually will go through some of my fabric pieces and I will choose some pieces that I feel like really work well together, and I'll just put them together in a color selection. So sometimes it'll be a fabric line, but most times it'll just be some pieces that I've found that are just really coordinating well and I think would make a really cute Dresden. Then once I have the pieces all together, then I just put them into tiny little piles like this in here. And then I just have them ready for whenever I have time to piece together Dresden. And that's how I've managed to make hundreds and hundreds of Dresdens. So if I feel like playing with fabric, then I play with the fabric, put the coordinating pieces together. And if I feel like sewing, then I have them ready. I also have a video sharing with you how I piece together my minis, as well as how to create the most perfect Dresden center. So you can see that this is really a nice circle shape, and that is in one of my other videos. So I have quite a few different ones here. I love strawberries, and I actually really like the color pink. So I tend to move towards pinks when I am doing some of my creating. Now this one's a really fun one because it has a different shape. And I wanted to create this one to have the same shape as the image that's on the fabric. Now this is actually really very easy because all I needed to do was create my cardboard template the same size as the piece here, as the fussy cut piece. And then I just use the same process, gathering around the outside as you would a normal circle. Here's a really cute one with this bunny. This one's darling with these green teapots, and I'm pretty sure this fabric is Boo, and you can't find it very often, but it is from the UK, I believe. That one's quite darling. And sometimes when I do my designing, it's actually the center fabric that is what starts the actual Dresden. So it may not be a fabric collection exactly. It may just be that I really want to showcase the center, and so then I'll just work around it and I'll just put some fabrics together that I feel look really nice with that center. Oh, this one's a really fun one. Clearly I like bunnies as well, and kitties. These are actually just super fun to play with, just simply just by themselves. Many people ask me, what do you do with all of your Dresdens? Well, sometimes just keeping them just like this so that I can look at them and admire the fabrics is really enough for me. As you can see, they're just super fun just to play with. And sometimes I have a project that I need something added to, like a pouch or a bag, and then I have a Dresden ready and I can just choose which one I think will coordinate well and just use it. This is actually only a small collection of the Dresdens that I have made. I've probably made close to 500 Dresdens at this point. That's a fun strawberry one with these really dainty florals. I do have my pattern, the mini Dresden mug rug, on my Etsy page, and that shows you how to make this size. And it comes with the full-size template, which of course you just need to cut out. This one's kind of bright and fun. I also have quite a few other Dresden patterns that I've done as well. A chicken and a pumpkin Dresden, a heart Dresden, and you can find all those patterns in my Etsy shop. I started making Dresdens with the Tiny Dresden Party, which is a sew along that is on Instagram, and I host that now every year during the month of October, and it's just for 2 weeks, where we sew tiny little Dresdens that are 5 inches or less, and all you have to do is post them using the hashtag Tiny Dresden Party, and you get to enter and to win prizes, and there's really great giveaways from our sponsors. If you want to follow me on Instagram, you can find me at Berry_Birdie.